Quentin, but you can call me Renzo. For my projects, we doing two different type of pillows. We doing 2 different pillows. One pillow is gonna say triple threat, and it's gonna say triple threes on the back.
Like Rizzo said, we got 2 different patterns. I'm helping him cut out his pattern, as y'all can see. I like being fashion because I always like looking good. And I don't like asking people. I want to be able to do it myself. Like, see, if I get a hole in something, I could sew it together. But I actually like the class and the environment. I could talk and sew and just express myself and to open people.
I like to sew a lot, put everything together, measuring all the fabrics, picking them out, matching the colors and everything. I like that.
Fabrics, you know, these like for some little pajama pants, backgrounds, designs, see Christmas. Got some ideas, got coming soon for y'all.
This is last year work. I made this pillow. I was gonna give it a gift from my grandma, but I ain't like it because it was ugly. So I gave it to my teacher because she like it. She like what art I make in her class and everything. In this classroom, all these fabrics, the machines, the projects we doing, if one for our special teacher right here, Miss A, we wouldn't even know what we doing right now. And congrats to her for showing me and my boy Jay right here how to do all this and put everything together.